ana m asị unu ụtụtụ ọma.
Now, good morning from Benin. That's the name of the program, Independent Television, IBCD, for the reach you anywhere they watch us across the globe. Different things then they happen if you don't look at now. The election now, about 29 days before the election for Edo State, the good one, on the 19th of this month, of next month of September 2020. We look different things the way we say. We want to look youth, we want to look the security situation, I want to look violence when we say a day inside. What if they burn all these ones them now we say want to do. So the IGP talk and say RCB, may they go round, may they go more. All the small arms, all the arms maybe they forget. Baby grammar, we will look at. We got two people when we say they go put for this matter, may they talk to us now. Two young men when basically they know what they do when it comes to this kind of matter. Albert Obaze of Crack Team, welcome to our program. I greet you.
Morning, sir.
Thank you. We get our friend and brother here, Ahmed Momodu. Welcome to our program.
I greet you now. Good morning, Unado.
Okay. My brother, the election don't they come. Different things now with the here. And the matter when we say concern violence. The people they want to say they really get harm for violence. Now be youth. Before you know what they happen, the governor come at that and say they attack him. Before you know what they happen, one political party say yes, when the governor even go, they call names in and they call attacker. The other political party come, they call APC, they call press conference, say they don't get hand for that kind of matter. And the rest. Maybe you take it from there, we have to talk and reach soon.
Well, my people, now good morning. Thank you, my brother Sado. Election they come. We know election they come. Many people see this period as a period to exercise their rights, to decide who will govern them for another 4 years. Why many see this period as period to make serious money, as period to make funny name, and as period to go after their perceived political enemies. So we get different kinds of people for this period. So they don't care whether election hold or election not hold. Their owner just call them to go cause mayhem, to go destroy.
And all people they be youths.
Many of them. So this not be youth. But they see some elderly men. Maybe since they grow, now bad things they do. So they this matter. So they not just only they follow. They still they follow this youth. They go they cause problem. So this period, as for me they decide of on that day, I will go to my polling unit with my PVC. I will go vote for my party candidate, the People's Democratic Party, Governor Obaseki. We get people, why didn't they ensure say my PVC not lost before that day? I they always look for my PVC, and they make sure say I they see my PVC the way I they guide normal document.
Okay.
Make it not be like say that day I can't wake up, where's my PVC and say I don't see them. But we still get people what is it their own now, how to look for a gun, how to look for machete, how to look for anything where they fit inflict pains on the people make election not hold. Why we get people, why we they keep my PVC? We get people we don't load money put for ground. To so say this money now boys I want to mobilize to go disrupt election where they believe say we the win.
Okay, that now what's Albert no shall. Are we?
Now what's everybody know? Okay. Now what you said no.
Okay. Make I meet you, Mamadou. The youths are violence for this election. How you to marry them together, or how you to divorce them for matter when we say concerning violence?
I first agree with my brother Albert say because of this period, people get different intention.
Right.
Maybe everybody gets good intention, but our responsibility, those of us we fit talk to people. Now today remind them say election go come, election go go. Life no be like that. Once life don't go, it don't go. If that life go because of the thing we no get sense, it don't go be that. Election must come, election must go. The thing we must always tell our people be say, when election they come, the thing where you suppose they ask be say, wetin go make this election better, who I want support for this election, so that by the time the next election go come, the matters wey we go dey talk go don reduce. If na road we no get before, we don repair that one. If na health no good, we go dey work on them small small. So even though youth plenty wey dey cause violence, most of them no dey cause am by themselves. A lot of them na frustration, a lot of them dey find work, a lot of them dey talk, people no dey hear wetin they dey talk. They go say your time never reach.
But a lot of them, they will say they no just want work at all.
But we no fit talk say na all the youths no wan work.
Okay.
Maybe inside 100, you go see 10 or 15 wey maybe no wan work. The remaining wey wan work, if they no see work, they no see who wan give them work. They dey talk, nobody dey listen. The next thing, a hungry man, they call am say is an angry man. Now wetin we come dey see be this. So we must always find a way to call our youth closer. Make we dey advise them. Make we dey tell them say na the things wey dey make economy dey good be this. Na the things wey dey make our society dey good be this. Na where you suppose put hand be this. Na where you suppose comot hand be this. Election violence no dey help anybody.
But the question I ask you about when I talk, say why you want react to the one be say Mr. Governor, talk say the attacker. You take it from there, beg.
Well, I also agree with my brother Ahmed. This election wey you see so, not be the way they take am. Now the way they do so. Now make them just show say that so we see am. Everybody for a day know say this election don't take another level. This election, people don't, it be like some people life. It be like say there are people life dey on this matter. All these political leaders, especially for APC. It be like say
you may not be able to.
Now this time now you dey. It be like say if they don't win this election, maybe they will die, or if get wetin they forget for government house so they want to take. Now here, like we dey see say governor, Edo State Governor, Excellency Governor Obaseki, go convocation for Edo University Iyamo. After they finish the convocation, the former national chairman Dan Soshomole invite the Oba of Lagos, the vice chancellor there. Another thing say, come to my house. You know say he build the school opposite the house. Come to my house, may they come enjoy, may they come take lunch. And that you know the issues, small issues don't they? And this the government not go. They will say, government not go, government come follow them. They don't know say they don't already stage youth to block governor, to embarrass them, to embarrass the guest. The video on the internet where the governor ADC had to even tell the driver to reverse. They attack them for that, they destroy our vehicles, government vehicles, destroy some government cars. They want to be left, what they are trying to do, they try to send that bad message with violence.
But you know some of these allegations now, when we say they raise now, you fit, no fit, proof.
It's in the public domain.
You understand?
It's in the public domain.
People do that kind of thing.
It's in all national papers.
We talk about blast now. Some people now say them when they go do that work.
It's in the public domain. Say that people now stage them there.
Okay, no problem.
To attack the government. In fact, their plan was to even kill the government there.
That one big go.
And I tell you.
My brother, see, you know, say the government don't complain. They say when they go one this, I say it was attacked and the rest. They go part of Edo North. He was attacked and the rest, and even call names. I want to make you basically react to this kind of thing. And our youth, if not true, why they will get harm for that kind of issue?
Well, the governor, they talk say they attack him. Now he be chief security officer of the state. And they wear another cap, maybe only one cap they wear. Now he be the father of the state also.
Okay.
Now he be the father of all the youth of the state. So if the youth they talk and the governor know they hear, then go call in attention one way or another. Now, if youth go attack governor will get sense, go call the youth.
I don't know yourself if they take care of
now, if they talk,
okay.
Make you no interrupt me. I dey talk for myself.
Okay.
I know they talk for Sadu.
Okay.
So anything where I talk, now on behalf of Ahmed Mahmoud,
okay.
maybe on behalf of ITV or Sadu,
okay.
Governor will get sense. go call the youth, talk say, this thing, why e be like this? Since Obaseki come, he never do youth summit o. Na only to go Lagos, he go dey do meeting.
You don't allow that.
Wait. No. Youth summit is a different thing.
Okay.
Youth summit, you will call the youths, you will tell them, say, these are the issues where I don't identify, wey go help our youth for Edo. And now so I go take tackle am. The first action na 1 year, second action 2 years, third action 3 years. By the time where I go be finish for my 4th year, na so e go be.
You try to justify, say what the youth then do now, say
no.
I try to find out because
I know they justify. I dey talk say if opportunity no dey to talk, fight dey always come out.
Okay.
The governor, whether you like am or not, na him be the father of the state. He no fit talk say na another person cause problem for am. He must find a solution to all the problem. Na wetin dem take vote am for be that. Now, Albert talk say governor go Iyamo, dey attack am there. The person wey him call Oshomole get history of empowering the youth. That university, na convocation they been dey do. Na youth empowerment be that. If you go all the universities, if you go this other one wey dey for this place, as you dey go Auchi on the road, Ekpoma, na empowerment Oshomole do there. All the universities for the south here, Oshomole empower all of them. Obaseki come, he start to dey close them one by one. He start to dey shut them down. That's why maybe Tayo Apata dey no close am. Ekeadola no close. College of continuing education no close.
No. I won't find out because that's a Ekeadola that time. Last time they do another say now Governor Shomole said they want to upgrade them or so. So they want to upgrade them.
He said they want upgrade them. They don't open them till today. He don't call them, tell them, say, see what the problem be. No. So you see, government maybe say you go do the way wey suit you. You go do the way wey go help people. Youth empowerment, no be only say time for election, you go say youth come vote for me. No. If you go, you disrupt their convocation, you don't stop their life. The people who are supposed to graduate, okay, make we even start them from ground. Oshomole start Red Roof Revolution. What is the condition of that Red Roof Revolution today? How many schools then don't make where we go take talk say you don't empower the youth?
Okay, now the youth. No, bring our discussion to the two people where we say they because they be the key figure. Because if you draw Oshomole,
and I draw Oshomole, so I won't highlight Oshomole.
Come on.
So if the candidates for this election, now Pastor Osagie Izeyamo and Governor Godwin Obaseki.
I don't agree for that one. Some other parties then do now.
I said the two main contenders. Okay, make I talk as it be clear.
Okay, so make we look all of this matter where NBC is a concern. Just now, they look for papers. They do one rally for Igwebe. And now the APC talk say yes, they shoot gun, they disrupt the place. The PDP say yes, they no shoot. Soon as they get their rally, say they no shoot anything. Because Neikari talking, Mayaki talking. Oh, these are two people that were in BC yes, a day for this matter where they talk well for the two political parties and all of that. I want to ask you, my brother, is it that the governor with all the security and all of that, they get protection when they go that place, or people go they walk, wait for that, say yes, once they come, we go attack them like this?
See, thank God, say my brother Ahmed already confirmed the attack of the governor for Isako Woten Apana. They say the youth the face. So the only way to express their displeasure
or their anger,
and to go block the governor convoy, shoot. They shoot. Now only this state youth will invest. Let's assume say they not get empowerment, but they get gun, they get machete, they not be police, they go shoot. Not to say they call clap, say the SPC empower us, they shoot. They go this rally center, go try shoot to scare people away. Now that their own way. Now their own way, all their youth.
Go to the rally center.
Yes, as when they talk now. We get youth for James Watt.
So if you talk to the go to rally center about
I dey come there.
now,
I dey come there.
say there was no shooting there.
Wait, I dey come there now. I get some things when we talk. Go James Watt this morning. You go see youth. They stop motor. No one buy tire. Go Igu. You will see youth. They try to hustle to try to find food for the day. Go Edo Innovation Hub. You will see youth. They try to learn. Go Edo Production Hub. You will see youth. They learn. Go to this construction site. You will see youth. They work. Some just day. They don't already program them because of the former government. Now let this government come. No government don't empower youth past Governor Obaseki. Okay. But the former government, it don't know way to empower youth. So those youth no, their own way of empowering
definition of life.
Yes. This government come is scrap many of the things like the CDA, the agberos, the illegal ticketing and the rest. So those people, they still believe say one government will come, we will give them those things back. So those youth will go attack governor. Why they go there before? Now to send the message say governor no fit campaign for Shomole Ward 10 is a West.
But that not for convocation, not before.
No, the last attack now. The last attack. Let me tell you so. Okay. Because they confirm and said the youth the vest. Now
the area where they talk, they make reference to.
I know I interrupt them. That's why I just
talk. When you don't talk, attack of the governor say youth. Now, what did those youth go do for that place for Esak or whatever? They go where women youth gather, they wait for governor. Because they really say governor not supposed to come show me their word. Not only one person get word. If they vote, they don't mean say they didn't get the word. So what did they do? Before when they hear say governor they come begin to shoot to scare people away. See, our people, I do not believe say government popular for Esak until that day. As those youths shoot reach, those women, people, when they that canopy the way for government, they not come out. I never see where women get mind. Until the deputy government come here, say they shoot. Somebody comes from there and say, make a tour. I cannot say, no, if they tour from here because they shoot, we will go there. Now there's security men advance to pursue the youth enter push. They not fit. When they want to be say, they go for picture of paper, say youth resist the government from campaigning in Shomole's word. What if we try to talk here? We will not speak plenty English. Make everybody talk to their relative, their friends. Make them not allow politicians use them. Okay. Now make these states just go block government convoy.
Okay, no problem.
Don't have suicide. If you want to kill yourself.
Okay, no problem now. If you look at now, the LCDC and the rest, they don't remove the commandant to NBC they for here. They don't put new one in your land and the marking they don't come out. And this one doesn't bring on that round of talk. The APC say, no, the PDP say they remove them because APC gets clandestine, gets some country when they hide, now make when they change them. The PDP said no. Okay, the PDP right down. The APC said no. Government get right to bring any person, remove any person when they want to bring at any given time. I'm not sure you would like to react to that one.
If I first react to waiting about talk. You see, I no interrupt them. If they say I no interrupt them, but I no be make person and make you just talk lie like that. Make I no correct them. Make you no talk wetin no correct. Okay. You see, the security infrastructure wey surround governor, na mad person go attack am, and they no get mad people for Edo State because of election.
Okay.
Now. The lie wey person go talk say somebody attack governor convoy, na foolish person go believe am. If governor convoy dey come, anybody wey enter, he won't die be that. And you no get who won't die because of Obaseki matter. September 19 na here they go comot am. Then Izeyamo go enter. So no need to fight.
With their vote too.
With their votes. So no need to fight. All this way wey they talk say somebody shoot, another person shoot. Villagers, they shoot gun during burial. They shoot gun during ceremony. They take gun hunt animal. They talk say na them shoot. They know which kind of gun they want shoot when they see the gun wey security of governor carry. The lie this lie done too much. Wetin we dey talk be say, make nobody shoot, whether na government people. You see wetin Albert come talk, you see when you dey talk lie, you go take lie follow am. He say the youth wey dey shoot, governor convoy come enter, dey chase them. Na speed dey take chase them. You go chase person wey dey shoot with leg, maybe shoot you to go shoot am. So you see, make we no dey lie to give our people. The youth of tomorrow, wetin we owe ourselves na to dey tell each other the truth. The reason why violence dey, why the youth dey uncomfortable, na because Obaseki, he no take care of them. Make we dey tell ourselves true. Now the question wey you ask, the posting of NCDC commandant of Edo State, we get some background in security and military affairs. So it dey very difficult make somebody dey talk say, na the reason why they post somebody be this, na the reason. If you no get all the information, we fit dey talk say why dem post am, and in tenure for that place na 2 months, or na 6 months, or na 1 year.
As the case may be.
As the case may be. So we get to find out some of those information first. If it be say na just 2 weeks ago dem post am come there, they come one post am comot, matter dey. But if it be say in tenure don comot and they wan post am, you say make they no post am, you no wan make another person get promotion, no be so e dey work. So some of the issues wey we no understand, e dey good make we understand am first before we put mouth inside.
Okay, well, moving on that, I want to draw a leg, go back. You see, all these things they happen, no, they see anything like arrests or anything.
Na the matter be that.
You don't see anything like arrest or anything.
Na the matter be that.
And the difference between good they talk. You see, I recall the other time when we see that time when APM, they hear me, my brother Albert, when APM some members of APM say they attack them.
They throw bomb.
Okay, they talk as if they throw bomb at the rest. Wait first now. They throw bomb at the rest. Now, the people, government side say, it's not correct. Say because people feel stage manage all this kind of thing. You recall now, say if stage manager just to draw sympathy. Now, the other one when we say you get to do this thing now, what do they call him? Colonel Emuse, when we say yesterday for the functional chairman of the APC. He come out, he talks to you, say, see what they happen, no? The deputy governor want to stage his own attack now. At the end of the day, because some people that attack him, according to them, they get intelligence reports and all of that. Why we say yes, say this one will say yes, this one stage manager, this one stage manager. Now, the governor say that's enough correct. See, we don't go fit to want to attack ourselves. But when the APM people they do at that time, government say they stage manager. Now this people say, see what they want to do. When I say no, say it's not possible.
Well, may I quick correct one this way you just now. Colonel Musa will not be factional. APC for Edo State, they don't get faction.
Okay.
There's a court judgment affirming their chairman, Asemu Jezwa. Okay. Now only one party chairman they get, Asemu Jezwa, so there's no faction. Okay. Then no, only one chairman.
I don't know how PDP go to APC matter.
Okay.
No, I don't know APC matter. Only APC matter. Address the question.
You talk so. This issue of attack, stage attack, we know these people. Okay. Not forget say we fed the APC before we move, before PDP come give us umbrella.
Yeah.
When they almost kill us, when they almost God know what they do us before PDP come give us the umbrella. We know Izeyamu, we know Shomole, we know Lawrence Oka, we know all these people. We know them. We don't fair work with them. That is why even the masses don't know them. That is why you don't get any move they make. Now laugh, they laugh them. If you go, they very true bomb. They say when they stage their bomb. I don't know why they don't stage their bomb again.
No, now that they talk.
I hear now. Let's go back.
When I say the question, you don't
never understand your question.
I understand my question. I understand my question.
Talk am again.
I understand. No,
understand.
Don't waste time. I understand the question.
Okay.
What did they ask you now? Say all the bomb when they stage that time. Why they don't stage them again? Why they say now they don't move from bomb now to recruiting tigers and lions? It will be like the violence, the plan for violence in 9 stages. Now they are not recruiting tigers and lions across the 18 local government. When get the capacity, you know say they are candidates. Yeah, the APC candidate pastor say talk say some of the Tigers and Lions even dey very dangerous that they can move from their local government, not be really to or voting center, that some are so dangerous that they fit move from their local government to another local government.
Yeah, when talking.
So, sir, me know.
Yeah, when talking.
The video dey now make I play the video for you.
We know.
The video dey.
Okay, carry.
The video dey. When he talk say make dem move from unit to unit, war to war. Because some are so dangerous that they go move to another local government. Wetin be that one? That one na clear rigging and violence. So all this staging wey dem dey do, they don move now to Tiger and Lion. We dey hear now say that they complete ballot papers now for Kogi. But we know they like this NSCDC wey dey. Like if they let me they transfer the
stage of carry you don't answer that one.
No, I answer so.
Okay.
Answer now. They stage them before. What do you mean they talk about? Why are they not staging bombing again? When they come move now to recruiting of Tigers and Lions?
Out of fashion.
Yeah, now the Tigers and Lions they recruit now.
Okay.
And now they still move to printing of ballot papers now.
All this information will be said. I don't know why now they take them up and the rest of the money and go there arrest them.
Now the thing will come tire everybody with that. Now the thing will come tire everybody with that.
You know how many petitions what the state government don't do?
Okay.
Everything in Abuja.
Okay, may I take all this?
What do you want to do? All the police will hand arrest them.
Okay, all this stage managing of this stage like we dey talk. Because when it happened to APM last time, say government is the stage manager. Now the APC talk and say yes, say people want to see arranged now and the rest of that. All this stage managing, what you get to talk about this stage managing, so to use your own word?
The whole of Obaseki government now stage manage. Okay. Now we dey see so.
Okay.
Now wetin we all dey suffer be this. Okay. And I really admire my brother because they try.
I like the two of them. I admire what I said.
No, you know why I admire him? Because in spite of the problem, if they struggle am, now wetin I take admire him be that. You see, the position where Obaseki don't put all these people be say, they no get wetin they won't talk again. So now how to find trouble, make fight come, na in dem dey. We no one fight. We dey wait make election come. You see all this voting matter, we need to dey tell people, we no one fight. Call the candidates, ask them, invigilate, listen as they dey talk. Wetin be the message wey they tell you? The message where Obaseki talk na say, we will meet violence with violence. That one, you no need me to show you the video. Una carry am for una show. Even one may they tell you, say, he get simple agenda. He want make una come vote for am, make he provide this. He give una contract. The contract where Obaseki give last, now be this. Achieving economic prosperity in Edo State. Make them first ask am, say, wetin happen to this one before you dey make promise of say you wan make another one of tomorrow.
You dey talk about simple agenda, mega dey now.
Mega na making Edo great again. But before you do again, you go first build the report card of this one. Na the problem wey we dey so. That's why they find fight everywhere. Because they no wan answer the question. The question na say, this youth wey dey restive now, this youth wey dey use for problems so, 200,000 job wey you say you go give them, where am? Gele simple. You see, if we wan start from the bottom, the sum of all the things wey Obaseki build up, Gele support work for day. So Bay farms, agripreneur programs work for day. All those health centers where promise say they build for 18 local government.
The Sobey farm be say the other day show us say they harvest something now. 159, 158 hectares of land.
Good. When you calculate all of those ones, now you go see all those 200,000 jobs when you promise. So what you suppose to ask, we say, these jobs when you promise, how many do youth dey inside? Now the matter will be the way they ground be that. So when you don't know how many youths you don't empower, you don't know how many they Edo, you know how many no get work, then you go know how you want to make Edo great again.
So as they try to make Edo great again, or they bring the simple agenda, the bring agenda will be say they're very simple, everybody go feel see and all of that. Before I go let you now come out now, Albert, in this case now for the violence and all of that, which word you get to tell the people now so that the election will come and go seamlessly. I will talk and the don't go through where
Well, my brother Sado, you see, say I not carry any paper come. I not carry anything come. Because everything wey Obaseki don't do, in my head. It dey almost into people's head. Then they see am.
Look at the hair. What is the
You see wetin happen recently? They talk say.
You know, time no be our friend.
No, tell no be our friend. They talk say government never do this, never do that one. They come say make they go check refinery, modular refinery. They say their press people go. When they reach there, you know what the press people see? Wake and see. They take the picture not like they post. Now some of them post send the pictures to us.
Federal government project where the state they claim.
Excuse me, sir. They sure say this kind of thing they happen for Ologbo.
No, make a
Federal government come out talk and say na their project now.
Now make I respond to your question. I want to speak to you. Now Shomole draw their leg. Or Shomole go Abuja go tell them say nothing is happening here. Federal government say to come there, and they've confirmed that the modular refinery is 95% completed. Wetin I want to tell my people.
Wetin I want to tell my people. Whether na government na dey do the project. Na partnership now. Okay.
A partnership. Wetin I want to talk. Whether na simple agenda or na parental agenda. You know Pedro Obaseki. You know the matter around this simple parental agenda. My own take is this. This election must be free and fair. Okay. In like when they carry 200 commissioners, when they change them every day, it not concern me. Every people are resolute. Even like the issue of what happened for Bible, 2 women sleep from the same place, 1 pikin die. The next day, the other one, 2 they claim ownership of the baby. They can't go king. King said, no, I don't fight again. Make we divide this, make everyone. One say, hey, yes. The other one say, no. Instead, when you go divide this pikin, give out to this one. Then the king say, you will say me that you not kill this pikin, and you get pikin. What did they try to do? Then you don't say 90% of those in that make them do violence. They don't resolve to vote for Obaseki. Okay. What did they want to do? They don't press spoil button. Okay. Their own is to spoil. Okay. They don't even want to make the election hold.
Okay, you do when my brother, what's the BC you like to talk now? BC want to come out to tell our youth that the election.
As we dey close, Albert don quickly reveal their plan. Okay. Their plan na to spoil. Now wetin Albert? Albert don Albert. You know they are talk government. You see, I no interrupt am. I no disturb am. I no disturb am.
Let me say we wan spoil. Okay, now they wan spoil. Okay, let's attack government convoy.
Albert, let's make it.
Albert don reveal their plan. Now spoil, they won't spoil. That's why they no like book. The reason they no like book because record dey book. We no need make it be person head. We need the one when person open, you go say, see wetin you talk, see wetin we see. That's the difference between the straight and narrow and lie. Edo people, Obubu Yaya don't do. September 19, vote for the right candidates that will bring development and stop violence. We don't want any more youth violence. We want elections to be about what has been done, what can be done, what will be achieved. Now the pastor Sadi Izeyamo, Obubu Yaya don't do. Albert don't tell you now waiting to their plan. No let that their plan call you. No let that their plan call.
When your candidate get is far for Amanda. I near my house, nothing is happening there.
Okay, no problem.
Nothing managed to work on my states.
Let's go thank you so much, Albert.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
I really appreciate it. Yes, so
now that men not fight to one.
No, we greet you now. No. Now we will give the example say there should be no violence in elections.
Okay, now this discussion will end. We thank you so much for being a part of our. We don't hear what you talk, then talk. I want to tell you on behalf of my brothers, Victor Rio and Hilary Odia with Imana Kololo, use your PVC card that day. If you want me the governor continue, you can may take continue. If you know I may continue, take a voter out. It's not a very simple thing. No violence. We'll take a small break. We'll come back just now. Stay with us.